Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you all know, inside this particular video we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, inside this particular video I want to show you guys about this perfect indicator, and I want to analyze. We have analyzed what has happened yesterday, so today we are going to analyze what has happened between the midnight up to this morning currently. So with this perfect indicator, I only have two setup of indicator on this particular chart, and if you understand how the market works, then you can surely be making a lot of profit with this perfect indicator. So what you just need to be doing every day is to make sure that you wait for your signal arrow to appear, and once your signal arrow appear, then wait for the your breaker OB or your mitigated or unmitigated level to appear alongside with your signal. You know, this is a sell signal on step index, and this is a sell signal, and currently now we are having a breaker OB that give us a downtrend level. You can see, so you should know that this is going to align with each other. Then your sell entry will be on this breaker zone, then you can set down the market up to this particular moment anytime you wish, and you can decide to take just 10 candle or 20 or 30 candlestick with this particular strategy, and you are going to be on a massive profit. So let me show you more on the. So as we can see, the trade reverse and respect that particular zone. So let's go for more and see if we have another opportunity. Yes, we have another opportunity here that give us a uptrend level here. But what we are going to be waiting after this signal appear here is our mitigated level or up our uptrend level. You can see this is a breaker level, but you can see the distance is too much, and you might just take a little bit straight and go out of the market, or you wait for a confirmation zone. So and currently now, as you can see on our step index 1 minute time frames, now currently I'm on a perfect trade on it, and you can see that the trade is making a lot of profit currently. Now I think each pair now is around $7 now. So but I'm not closing yet. I will decide to close at any time from now. And also you can see this is how I take this particular trade. You can see the confirmation entry for buy zone here, and what I am waiting for after these signals appear is my breaker will be mitigated or unmitigated level to appear. And you can see that after a few seconds of candlestick, you can see that we have a mitigated mitigated area here that appear on this particular chart. You can see that. So that is how my entry level will be on this particular mitigated level for a up zone. You can see what happened here, and that's why the market is going on a massive uptrend. So let me show you what has happened on step index 200 so far, and we can see this is another confirmation entry for us. This is another confirmation entry for us for buy zone. You can see this is a buy opportunity zone for us, and you can see this is another level for us to take, because we have a buy zone here, and we can see our unmitigated level that appear on this particular area, that it shows that this unmitigated level is a uptrend. And for you to identify this mitigated level is that you are going to see that your forming triangle is going to be on our lower low, on our lower low. You can see that, not like this our breaker level that show on a higher high. So it's going to show on a lower low, and this give us a confirmation entry alongside with this our trend here. So our entry will be around this particular area, and you can see what the market did. It go massively on a perfect uptrend. So let me show you more on what we are talking about. You can see we have another confirmation here, which is an uptrend. But after this confirmation show at this particular area, we can see that we will now be looking for our breaker OB or mitigated level. But when what you see next is that we have a breaker level that show on a lower low. You can see it align with it, that is going on a uptrend, and you can see from this particular level our trade decides to reverse to this particular level. So you can decide to close when you have attained your fair value gap at this particular zone. You can decide to what to take to out of the market if you have attained your fair value gap at this particular level. So let me show you more of it. Let me show you guys so that you can see that this perfect indicator, and it does not reprint. This is an indicator that does not reprint. It works according to the purpose of what is going, the direction is going. You see, this is an uptrend signal, this is an uptrend signal, and after these signals appear, what we are going to be looking for is our breakout OB or our mitigated or unmitigated. So once it appear at this particular area, you can see this is not what we are waiting for. This is not what we are waiting for, because it show on a higher level. It show on a higher level. So this is not what we are waiting for. This is what we are waiting for. This breaker OB level here is exact what we are waiting for. You can see it appear on our lower low and it go massively. This is our first opportunity. This is our second opportunity to what, to take the market on a massive uptrend. You can see it go on a massive uptrend. So that is how this perfect indicator works. So it works perfect. It works so great and so nice. So let me show you how it has happened also on step index 300 on 1 minute time frames. You see, all this step index is what you can use it to trade, and also it works on boom and crash index. So let me show you. You can see this is our last uptrend. This is our last signal here, and this signal does not reprint. Once it appear, it stay permanently on that particular spot. So this is our uptrend. So after we confirm that we have an uptrend signal, then we are going to be looking for our mitigated or breaker level for the same uptrend level. You can see, so the price go on the upper side here and give us a what, mitigated downtrend, but this is not what we are looking for. Then come back a little bit and form another mitigated level which align with this our signal. You can see it align with this our signal. So this is a confirmation entry for us to what, to take for what, for uptrend level. You can see what the market is doing currently is going on a massive uptrend level. So that is how that perfect indicator works. So let me see if I can show you guys more of it. You can see this is another opportunity for us. We have a buy signal here, and what you can see next is that we are waiting for our breaker will be or mitigated level, and we have one around this particular area. So this particular spot serve as a what, as our uptrend level for us to take. You can see what happened here. If you miss this particular first one, then you can decide to wait for the second one to what, before you enter your massive trade, guys. So that is how it works. You can see currently now I'm still in profit, and I can decide to close it at any of my time. So guys, so if you also want this perfect indicator, all what you need to do is to reach me on my Telegram group, and you are going to get access to it. This indicator is not for free. It is only for people who are ready to make profits in step index and boom and crash index. Thanks guys. See you guys in our next video.